Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to do the progress check-in in the Headspace application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the person button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down at the My Progress section, you can do a little check-in. So just click on the button. And here it consists of 10 questions that you have to answer regarding your state and your mental state and your health. So for example, in the last month, how often have I been upset because something unexpected happened? And yeah, so you can just answer to all of these. I will just do them randomly just to get through, but of course you can answer them anything. And then you can also at the end you can also write some reflective notes or just save without notes, and you can check your progress here after that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.